Hi, Cindy Blake here from Firefly to provide a short product overview. Firefly is a cloud asset management solution that helps DevOps, SRE, and platform engineering teams manage complex cloud infrastructure, automating best practices for reliability, cost, and security. We believe that a well managed cloud should address all three. A fundamental premise is that infrastructure as code is necessary to manage multiple accounts and multi cloud at scale. Firefly finds your cloud assets, onboards them to IAC, and continuously manages your cloud to the desired state. Let's see how Firefly helps me do this. First, Firefly helps me see my entire cloud footprint. The dashboard provides a view of my cloud assets and my infrastructure as code, including Kubernetes and Helm, all in one place. It's a great snapshot of the health of my cloud. I can quickly see how much is managed with infrastructure as code, unmanaged, ghosted, and drifted. Now, let's go to inventory. Here, I can see everything in my cloud inventory across providers like AWS, even Kubernetes, Google Cloud, and also my SaaS applications that platform teams use like Datadog, GitHub, Okta. These are often overlooked but important elements for consistent cloud management. Here, I can see which parts of my cloud are managed, unmanaged, drifted, or ghosted. And those that are not managed well are going to lack governance for tracking and controlling changes, which can seriously affect reliability, cost, and security. So let's dig into my production account. Here we can see I have almost 1,900 unmanaged resources. Manually creating IAC for them would take forever and introduce errors. With Firefly, I can choose the resources and hit codify. Firefly reverse engineers the actual cloud asset and creates the infrastructure as code for it using Terraform, Pulumi, CloudFormation, and CDK. It even includes dependencies and can create or use Terraform modules. Once I've codified the unmanaged resources, now I want to look into drift. Drift happens when the infrastructure as code no longer matches its underlying cloud configuration. Let's look at this drifted IAM policy and see what changed. So I can see on the right side, this is my desired state with infrastructure as code. And on the left, I can see what's actually running on my cloud. The changes are highlighted. Now, these changes are very bad. It's not a controlled change, and it even introduces a security hazard. The minute this happened, I'd get a notification to my Slack or PagerDuty or whatever chat ops I use. And once Firefly finds such an issue, it doesn't just give me an alert. It gives me root cause, what changed, who created it, and why. And the best part is it helps me fix it. So I can even open a pull request to initiate the change. This is great. I have an understanding of my cloud footprint. I've automatically codified my assets into IAC so they can be governed, and I'm continuously monitoring for drift and misconfiguration with fixes provided. As cloud resources are added, how can I keep this alignment and ensure best practices are continuously followed? Firefly incorporates Open Policy Agent and includes almost 100 out-of-the-box industry best practices around reliability, misconfiguration, and resource optimization. I can also create custom policies for things like asset tagging and more. These policies will help me find issues like these here, and fixing them can improve reliability, cost, and security for my entire cloud infrastructure. For all of these changes, whether to create IAC, to fix drift, or to manage compliance to policies, Firefly creates the code for me to apply, keeping me constantly in control of my cloud and requiring only read access from Firefly.